Hi, I'm Sharon. Today I would like to share with you some of the features of the all-new Create by Vidello software. Desktop app fully compatible with both Mac OS and Windows. Full-feature drag-and-drop timeline editor. Make cuts, resize duration by dragging, move media onto different tracks, add new tracks, zoom in and out of timeline, lock media, hide media, delete media. Screen recorder record whole desktop. Or, select area of screen with drag and drop editor, or use quick presets. Webcam recorder select webcam device and record. Audio recorder choose microphone. Add shapes. Add text with gorgeous presets 100 plus looping animated and static emojis 100s of gorgeous icons 30 premium audio backing tracks pixel perfect export in full HD 1080 and even up to 4000. Export and publish to YouTube and Vidello. Canvas resize adjust canvas area for whatever type of video you want to create. Perfect for Square, Instagram and FB timeline videos or just resizing to 1280 for YouTube or even 4000. Import any kind of media, video, images, audio. Converts move to MP4. Media settings opacity, one-click align, one-click scale to canvas area. Fade in and out transitions, fade audio in and out, canvas area guidelines, grab and move, zoom in and out of canvas with scroll bar or manually select zoom percentage. Mask media on canvas for real video preview. Guidelines snap and lock on canvas and timeline. Easily save projects keyboard shortcut delete, copy/paste, grab canvas, duplicate. Move position using arrows, cut media. Easiest video editor and super intuitive app for video creation and editing. And now, let's take an inside look at the new Create by Vidello software.
With Create, making professional videos has never been easier. Whether you need a promotional video or an entire video training course, Create is the perfect tool for entrepreneurs and creators, giving you the flexibility to simply create. With our intuitive drag and drop interface, you can quickly and easily import media, add text, enhance your videos with animated emojis, text presets, and much more. Record your screen, webcam, and audio to make pixel-perfect training content, client pitches, demos, and review videos. To make edits, drag and drop your media onto our full-feature timeline editor. You can make cuts, resize, and position your content, and preview your video in real time. Effortlessly change the resolution of your video to fit social, mobile, and other formats. You can also quickly position, align, and scale your content to fit the canvas with just a click. Once you're ready, publish your video in your preferred resolution, even up to 4K. Creating high-quality videos for your business has never been easier. So, what are you waiting for? Make videos the smarter way at vidello.com/create.
There you have it, a great presentation giving you the necessary information on the Create by Vidello software. Click the link in the description to action your copy of this fantastic video editing application and collect your bonuses. This presentation was brought to you courtesy of the Clickslrate online platform. We have a business model where we offer support, business advice and educational resources to those who support the initiatives that we promote. We are not here just to hype and pitch a product. Grab some sales then move on to the next product launch only to rinse and repeat with no real value being offered to the customer. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification to be updated on new products and services to help you with your digital marketing. Bye for now, take care.